Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 5 of cruise ship quarantine. I am currently just enjoying my breakfast in bed. I've got pancakes with chocolate and strawberry sauce, my cup of fruit, some butter, and whilst I'm enjoying breakfast this morning, I'm just trying to decide what film to watch because there's a pretty good selection of movies on the Royal Caribbean TV. Jerry Maguire, what a classic.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Chris Wong Vlogs and welcome to day number 5 of cruise ship quarantine. So today I woke up and I don't know why, but my left eye at the bottom is a little bit swollen. So I think for the majority of today's video, if not the whole video, I'm going to be wearing sunglasses. So this is the vibe I'm going for today. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it's a side effect from Johnson & Johnson. I never actually followed up on that, so it's been a few days now since I've been vaccinated with Johnson & Johnson, and I didn't feel any side effects whatsoever, which is fantastic because some of my other fellow crew members, weren't feeling so great within the first 24 hours of getting the jab. So yeah, I'm very lucky. Anyways, it is a beautiful day today in the middle of the ocean. I do believe, I did mention this in my other video, I do believe we are close to Coco Cay, so I guess technically we are in the Bahamas. Here's the thing, we've been docked here now for a few days, but this is the first day I've actually seen sun. Yeah, it's been very hot, but it's been kind of gloomy these last few days, so yeah, seeing sun for the first time is incredible. I can only see 3 cruise ships now. Yesterday there were at least 7 in front of me. But my god, just seeing this view every day, even though we literally haven't moved from this spot. See the line where the sky meets the sea? It calls me. What movie did I just quote? Comment below. Unfortunately, I'm still not getting any sun on my balcony and I haven't been able to work on my tan in the slightest, but no, it's still nice to have this as a view. It makes quarantine so much more enjoyable. For my lunch today, some sort of wok fried noodles, vegetables, bread. Very nice. I can enjoy my lunch today whilst enjoying the view. Well, this is exciting. It looks like they're about to lower the lifeboat. The blue boys are working very hard here. Yeah, right in front of my cabin. Actually, I don't think they're lowering it. I think they're just doing some maintenance work. Looks like they're greasing up the wires or whatever you call it. So next to my bed I actually have a mini fridge in which Royal have stocked up with yogurts and milk, which is just amazing. I mean, I love my dairy, I love my milk, I love my yogurts, and sometimes when the instead of eating the cakes that they bring us for dessert, I actually sometimes just don't even eat that, and I prefer to eat one of the yogurts, the fruit yogurts instead, just because it's a lot more healthier. As well as these yogurts, I also have these cookies that Royal have provided us, and I don't think I've ever actually tried this before, but whatever these are so good, and I've already got through like one of these packs already, and just dipping these cookies in the yogurt is actually quite delicious. And you can see underneath my desk I have enough water to surely last me for the rest of quarantine now. In fact, I'm actually trying to make it my goal to get through all of these bottles of water before my quarantine period is over. So they have lowered the lifeboat now. I don't think they're actually driving it, but they have lowered it, and some more of the blue boys have joined. and they're still, yeah, they're like oiling up all of the slack, or I should probably know the terminology. It's quite fascinating just watching these guys work. Like, that's the thing, even though we're all crew members on the same ship, like, their job is so different to my job. Oh, it's coming back up. So this lifeboat is now being lifted up. I think they've just finished what they're doing with this one. And the lifeboat next door now, lifeboat number 12, is about to be lowered as well. And I think the Blue Boys are going to be working on all of the lifeboats today. My dinner has just arrived, and this is the process we have to go through. So just to remind you, we have to put the face mask on, make sure my balcony door is closed, and then once the room service attendant has actually walked away, let me look through the peephole, I can actually go out. Ooh. Ta-da! Oh, I'm gonna have to bring this in. Oh, this is heavy. Ooh. And that, cookies, amazing. I actually forget what I ordered, so it's always a surprise. Number 2, rice, chicken, vegetables. That'll do, nice and healthy. Yeah, of course, during these times, oh, I can take my mask off now. Of course, during these times, I want to try and be as healthy as possible, and obviously make sure my immune system is at its optimum level, just to fight off any potential COVID coming my way. So when it comes to my meals, is this bad lighting? When it comes to my meals, that's better, I always try to you know, pick something relatively healthy. Occasionally I will choose the occasional pizza or burger, but most of the time I'll try and choose some sort of meat, vegetable dish. The left eye seems to be doing a lot better, so that's why I've taken my sunglasses off. So here's the vibe I've got going on right now. Eating my dinner at the table. Got some mood lighting going on. Actually, having the light around the mirror is the best thing ever, and I'm gonna definitely miss having this feature once I eventually leave the cabin. Yeah, normally I would eat dinner outside, but it's a bit of a gloomy, foggy day today. I know it was sunny earlier this morning, but yeah, honestly, the rest of today, the weather has just been like grey, foggy. Yeah, not a good time to be in the Bahamas. I hope this hasn't affected anybody on Adventure of the Seas who are currently sailing right now there. Okay, so first of all, had to put the shades back on. My left eye not feeling so fantastic, so for now we'll just have to go for the Casey Neistat look. So I feel like today's vlog is a little shorter and not so much has happened. Well, that's because today I've actually spent most of my time just sat in front of my computer doing all of this online training that us crew members have to do, and my god, there is a lot of it. Yes, of course, it's very interesting information. It's a lot of information to do with how cruising is going to be moving forward once guests come back on with all these new COVID protocols. A lot of interesting information, but it is very time consuming, and yeah, I haven't really been in the mindset to actually vlog and document and, you know, make an interesting piece of content, just because in the back of my mind I know that I still have quite a bit of training to do, and I essentially have work to do. I keep getting emails from the cruise line saying, Chris, you still haven't done this training, make sure it's done by this date. So I'm thinking by tomorrow I should have everything done, and then once all of my training, my online training is done, I will have a lot more free time and I will be in the right mindset to make a much more exciting video. So I apologize if today's video may seem a little short or a bit stale, and you know, I haven't really done or shown anything today. But that is the reason. I'm working, I'm doing online training. Anyways guys, that is going to do it for day 5 of quarantine. Do me a favour and smash the thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to my channel if you are brand new. I am making the best cruise ship vlogs in the world, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6 of quarantine. See you later.